Welcome to my honest review of Flourish Density Booster. If you're someone dealing with alopecia or hair thinning, you've probably tried a bunch of products that promise to help, but they don't always live up to the hype. That's why I'm here to give you an inside look at what Flourish Density Booster is all about. This product is marketed as a solution for boosting hair density and encouraging hair growth, especially for people with alopecia. After using it for a few weeks, I've got a lot to share. First off, the packaging is sleek and easy to use. It comes with a spray nozzle that makes application simple and clean. The instructions are straightforward, so there's no guessing about how to apply it. I've been applying it daily to the affected areas, focusing on thinning spots where I've noticed the most hair loss. The texture of the product is light and non-greasy, which is great because I've had experiences with other hair treatments that left my hair feeling heavy or oily. Flourish is absorbed quickly, and you don't have to worry about residue. After a few weeks, I did start noticing some changes. There was a slight improvement in the thickness of my hair. While it wasn't a dramatic transformation, I could see subtle growth and thicker strands in the areas that were more affected by alopecia. However, it's important to note that results vary, and not everyone will experience the same outcome. Now, let's talk about the cons. While I did see some results, they weren't as fast or as noticeable as I had hoped. It's definitely not a miracle product, so don't expect to see your hair fully restored in just a few weeks. It's more of a slow and steady process. Also, the price might be a bit steep for some, especially if you're not seeing immediate results. The product does seem to be on the expensive side, so it might not be accessible for everyone. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, I think Flourish Density Booster can be a great option for those dealing with mild to moderate hair thinning. But it's not a quick fix. If you're looking for a faster solution, or if you have severe alopecia, this might not be the best choice for you. If you're curious about trying it for yourself, check out the links in the description for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and like the video if you found this review helpful. I'll keep testing products and sharing my experiences to help you make informed decisions about your hair care journey.